Mama already.
Guys, we hold each other into the new year.
Yeah.
No. Good morning, guys.
Yeah.
So I'm going to discuss my gift. These are the Bose Quiet Comfort Noise Cancelling Headphones.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
It's 3D. It's not easy. Aha! Turn it. Oh! If you want to see something beautiful, look at Oslo. I'm going there. Guys, look at Oslo. Huh?
Good morning, guys.
Good
It's the 31st.
Just keep scratching it.
It just started snowing really nicely today morning. So we had this beautiful snow for the 31st. So our plan for today is that we're going to make dinner. We're going to eat dinner. We're going to drink some nice drinks. And this is the first time in 2 years where I've actually been with my family during New Year's Eve. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our traditional viewing spot where we have a nice view over Oslo.
It's where all the neighbors meet every New Year's.
We're going to stand there and we're going to hug each other until the clock strikes 000.
We hold each other into the new year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys know that even though the year is changing, my love for you guys has never changed.
Yes.
Still love you guys the same.
Love you too.
Even more. And Kevin, what are you doing?
I'm drawing.
What? Can we see?
No, not the YouTube.
Just show us a little bit.
No.
Why you care? It's just your hobby.
Yeah, but
Ask me what I'm doing.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm peeling wax off the table because there was a candle catastrophe the other day.
Yeah.
Mom was sitting on the table.
And I stand up.
And these
I
candles
stood up.
were lit. And the table just decided to self-destruct, so it fell. And then the candles fell and...
Yeah, it was
wax
really
on.
bad. This is a very strange table. It's very nice and very unpractical sometimes.
It's satisfying what I'm doing.
You want to share your gift there with Denda?
Yeah. Okay.
Please go towards the seat so it's nicer. You're close to Kevin. And, yeah.
My mom got me the Sol de Janerio set. And this set contains the classical body mist, Bum Bum Cream. Okay, so let's just appreciate the packaging. Look at all the designs.
Yeah. Is it 3D? Is it the side that is 3D?
Yeah, here the products are 3D.
Mm.
If you can see here. You see that?
Yeah.
3D. So you can feel them. And here are some explanations of what like every product has in it and what it is.
Mm.
So yeah, pretty. It's also 3D here. So let's open it. Let me show you. I am a Sol de Janerio enthusiast, so this was a great gift. Look at that.
Wow, that's very nice.
Now my mom came very clutch because I was actually going, I'm very empty for my body mist. Let me get my old one because I have something to show that's actually really cool.
Yeah. Guys, why she's going to get the old one, can you appreciate that view? Is beautiful. The backdrop is insane. With my son's big head on it.
Okay, so Sol de Janerio actually changed their designs. You see that? You see it here. Here it says Sol de Janerio.
Yeah.
And here it just says SJL.
Yeah.
SLJ.
Which one is the new one?
This one.
Yeah.
And this one you can see.
That one
here,
is so beautiful. I like
I like the old one more.
I like the details on it.
You can see it has explanations. It's just more detailed and more pretty, in my opinion. This one is just more simple and modern, you could say.
Yeah. Wow. It's the cover that I like.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Put your hand behind it. You see?
You see?
I know
it
videography.
Says Sol de Janerio. But here it does. And then it comes with the full size. I'm pretty sure this is the full size. Bum Bum Cream.
Yeah.
The Bum Bum Cream smells amazing. I really like it. I haven't used it yet. So, I'm excited. Oh, that's good. And it's so creamy too.
But there are things inside there you have used.
Yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I've used. So, these past few days when I've been showering, I've been using the, let me get that out properly, the Bum Bum Body Fermenza oil. It's really good. I like to use it around my neck and you have to take you just need very little for it to like be very good. It smells really good too. So it's like a little scent. And then I've been using the Brazilian Play body wash. Now this is really good. You only need very little product for it to work. That is if you're using a scrubber. And I really like it. It makes my skin really soft. Here it is. This is a mini, a travel sized. This is the travel size mini. It's really good. I really like it, and it smells so good. Next is the body scrub, which I actually haven't used yet, the Bum Bum body scrub. And I'm so excited to use it because I love body scrubs.
Wait a minute. Bum Bum scrub.
I really like body scrubs, so I'm so excited to use it.
Yeah.
I really like all the designs to Sol de Janerio's things. I think they're so cool.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna open it now and we can look. Ooh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, it smells.
Careful there.
Wow, look at that. I'm so excited to use it, and it smells so good.
Bring the big bum bum. Is bum bum cream you call them?
Yeah, it's called Bum Bum cream.
Why is it called bum bum cream?
I don't know. Ask them.
Yeah. You have not opened this one yet?
No, I've opened it, but I haven't used it.
Okay.
So I'm so excited.
There's one last thing. The small bottle.
This one? I've already showed it.
No. Have you?
Yeah.
So I'm going to discuss my gift. These are the Bose Quiet Comfort Noise Cancelling Headphones.
Yeah.
Very good work-related headphones. You have these right and left indicators inside.
Yeah, so first of all, you have to tell us who gave you the gift.
So these were bought to me by my father. I requested them. And these are the same types that he has, but they're a lot newer. He's had his for 5 years. So very simple design. They fold, which I think is always neat. You can pack it easily. They're very resilient. I've dropped them already, but they haven't gotten scratched. You have the power button right here. It's a switch. You drag it to the side, and you have different indicators for it. It's right here, but I don't think we can see it.
Okay. Maybe we can make a short video where you explain more.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the best thing they have very good noise cancelling. I can't hear anybody when I'm listening to music. I'm not even joking.
Yeah.
Can't hear anything. I love these.
Okay. Practical gift.
Practical gift.
Super vlog. Hello guys, where are you guys going to?
Watch the fireworks.
Firework for the first time in 3 years. No, the first time in 3 years Kevin is with me and you, Nina.
2 years.
It has always been me and you. Hey! Hey! Wow!
Ja, det er folk oppe der allerede. Du ser det hvite lyset. Det er for sent for oss, vi bruker for mye tid til å gå.
We can go behind the house there,
Skal vi gå opp til Lars?
or there in the roundabout.
We go to the roundabout.
We go to the cross where all the neighbors meet.
Oh my god, it's
The
like
neighbors.
a buzzing.
Oslo is lighting. Are you guys sure we will reach there before 12?
We should not take it so much time.
Det er 4 minutter.
We will reach it, of course,
Okay.
for minutes. It
Is there a loop, eh?
Nei, vi skal være opp der, skal vi ikke?
Wow, beautiful.
Bomba.
Hey! Hey!
Oh,
What a cool celebration.
Happy New Year! Woo! Woo!
guys, just a reminder that dogs are extremely scared of fireworks.
Woo!
Do you know that?
Look at Oslo, guys!
There was a person.
I'm going to
that said
stop
that the
this
dogs
and then I will
shit
go live.
themselves because of the fireworks.
A dog,
Sounds like a war
a dog
zone.
shit on himself.
Nina.
Who told you that story? Oh!
That's what
You saw that.
jeg må prøve å være på Call of Duty en gang. On the New Year's.
Yeah. That I say a dog shit on himself. Dogs are so afraid of fireworks.
Yeah.
It's so nice of them. Adam og
Hey! Hey! Run, run, run.
Det starter om 2 minutter.
Det står ingenting samtidig.
Eller,
Det er bare 20.
They started. I can hear crack, crack, crack all over.
I'm coming.
Overstimulated at that work.
Guys,
I'm coming to 2025. I can see it dry.
Happy New Year, everybody.
I have old pee.
Happy New Year, Nina.
New Year.
Happy New Year, Mom. Is it? No.
We are going there. And from here. Oh! Woo! Woo! my God. Woo. 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 Happy. Woo.
Mama already.
Guys, we hold each other into the new year.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I love you guys so much.
Love y'all. Love you too.
What would I do without you guys? The years change, but my love for you guys never change. Just increase.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Oh, if you want to see something beautiful, look at Oslo. I'm going there. Guys, look at Oslo. Huh? Let me show you. Oslo. look at this. Really far. Oh my God. OMG. Oh, beautiful.
Earning money in the name of Jesus. I'm a good black man in America.
Going back to our crib. And this girl, I don't work out.
Hello MTV, welcome to my...
Hey, mommy dancing a little bit. Oh, la, la, la. Oh.